Light is life, and memorable moments in life must be captured with perfect light. For more than a century and a half, flash has been a vital emphasis in photography. Camera flashes come in different models, shapes, and brands. Even the newer models are big, bulky, troublesome, complicated, and time-consuming to carry around and set up. These models usually come in separate parts that need to be attached together in order to function. Instead of helping photographers take better photos, these models have become a hindrance. PiXLIGHT revolutionizes this concept in a never-before-seen kind of way. In one sleek, lightweight, and easy-to-carry design, this powerful flash piece solves inconveniences as old as the photography trade itself, transforming hassles into a delightful pastime. With a flexible tripod and standard multicolored umbrella, PiXLIGHT can seamlessly fit into a variety of generic photography bags. This user-friendly flash takes less than 5 seconds to set up. Now you can initiate your photo shoot setup with time to spare to catch those breathtaking shots. After much time spent consulting and collaborating with photography professionals and engineers, we were inspired with a design that is unmatched, all-encompassing, and one-of-a-kind. How many flash devices are considered ideal for capturing virtually any situation, from product photography to portraits, to architecture, to multi-expo, to intimate gatherings, parties, and family scenes and themes? Only one comes to mind: PiXLIGHT. The high-quality PiXLIGHT battery is long-lasting, portable, rechargeable, and easily altered. The internal trigger and remote make your project a no-brainer to complete. PiXLIGHT comes with a modeling light. Your inner techie will go gaga for PiXLIGHT, which can be synced and operated with your smartphone, all while you enjoy the high-quality lighting of a grandiose piece of equipment. With PiXLIGHT, you can also add multiple modifiers and other professional lighting tools. Moments come and go. Such is the nature of life. These near and dear moments of now beg to be captured beautifully, quickly, and effortlessly in all their illuminated glory. The patent-pending PiXLIGHT is the best flash choice for amateurs, casual family photographers, and professionals alike.